I'm neutral.
You pregnant?
No. I'm managing more.
Can't drive slow. Can't drive slow. Okay.
I'm managing more. I can't do the road.
Ush. Oh, is that everything?
Oh, for vomit. I want to vomit. Can't manage. It's not even a cough.
Drink some.
Wait.
When I can water in the box. Maybe I need something to drink. Secondly, I mean, people normally buy mint. Should I buy some mint, sweetie?
Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Swiggy and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to take you guys with me on the road, and me and my little family, we are going to Portland. Yeah guys, we're taking a trip to this beautiful place. So I want to show you guys how Jamaica is beautiful, and I will record on the road some places. So yeah, and for people who just missing home, nice to see how Jamaica stay now. So yeah, we just taking it easy, and kids decided to have Wendy's for breakfast, so we are going to Kingston to buy them some nuggets and stuff, and I'm planning to run into our local coffee shop, Blue Mountain coffee shop, to grab some cold iced coffee drink, and yeah, because I never had breakfast also. So that is the plan, so stay tuned. Yes, see you at these places. Yeah, see you in the coffee shop. Alright guys, so rate my outfit from 1 to 10. Alright, so drop in the comment section your rating. Okay, look funny. What do y'all think? Am I ready for the Portland trip? High five, Danny. High five. Yeah, good job, Danny. Alright guys, so we are in the coffee shop. So I want some coffee because it's early morning. Not really early though, 10 o'clock something. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks good. Oh, those look so good. Alright, thank you.
Let's go.
So this was the old Stony Hill here. And you see the sign? Port Antonio. Portland is not a Port Antonio.
Yeah, it's in.
Yeah, alright, so going to Port Antonio, Portland through Stony Hill, and I don't know, I just like how nature looks in this part of the Eastern Hill. Just, I don't know, it just looks different. It just looks so refreshing.
That's good. That's so beautiful.
Beautiful, right?
It's under the grass. Wow. That's so
Just remember, say them get so big that they actually have sittings down.
Oh, here's a police here, the road police, and they stop vehicles, give them tickets. But you know, the thing in Jamaica, you can kind of escape it, because if you see somebody flash you, opposite direction. So if you see they flash like 2 times, there. So that means
Flash 1 time, 2 times.
One.
When flash, I mean police is
here. So when they flash, that means that police is up the road waiting on people who speed to give them Portland, some nice smooth roads, so you just, you know, slide like a piece of ice. Yeah.
Hopefully, in the future, we have to learn from this because I don't think that'll finish for now.
Yeah. So guys, by the way, remember I showed you my outfit for today, and my shorts, they were the center of the attention today in this Uptown Kingston coffee shop. Like, I mean, everybody that look at me, and they were not ready for this fashion. Swaggy is bringing Swaggy is bringing real yard style to the Uptown Kingston. Teach people how to be flawless. Obviously, obviously. Bust down. I want to see you bust down. Hit it up. The break that shit up. Oh, it's speeding up. That's slowly too. Bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it. I want to see you bust down. Honestly, guys, I love Jamaica because you can, you know, express yourself by wearing clothes. I mean, just, in Russia, I think people criticize you for like not really fitting the standards, you know, and everybody like try to, you know, rock similar clothes, boring clothes, you know. Oh guys, I just totally forgot to give you a little update on my driving lessons. So the situation is I finished my course with my driving instructor, yeah, and I got my learner's license. I went on the big road, yeah, did bonds together with those taxi men and everybody, public buses. I wasn't afraid. I mean, I was feeling pretty confident around people driving, yeah, and it wasn't that scary. Now I am in the process and I am about to get my real driver's license, yeah, but the thing is that it kind of on pause, but due to some documents, but we'll sort it out, and I hope sooner or later I will pass for the real driver's license and gonna, you know, be a Schumacher on the road. Yeah, I can't wait, honestly, guys, but
Schumacher.
Yeah, Michael Schumacher, that's how in Jamaica people call the guy.
Call him Schumacher.
From Formula 1.
Yeah, we call him Schumacher.
Schumacher?
Yeah, because we can't roll the tongue like English.
Schumacher. 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 Yeah, guys, so I will be a Schumacher soon. Soon we'll touch the road. Look, guys. To the right you see the plantation, so obviously they grow something here like coconut palm trees, and now in front of you you can see another banana plantation where they grow bananas, St. Mary's bananas, white island exported bananas. That's what we eat in supermarket. Bananas from St. Mary's farms. You see? Yeah, bananas. This is the entrance to the Trident Castle. Trident Castle. Correct me if I'm wrong. So this is a place owned by one of the most wealthiest man in Jamaica. Drop in the comment section the name whose castle is it. So you're gonna see it way better here from this view. Look at this castle. Look at this. It's really nice and huge. Surrounded by water. Yep. We finally arrived. Sansan. Sounds a little bit Chinese, right? So why it calls Sansan? Oh, a Chinese on it? Or it's just the short word for some word sand. That's why they call it Sansan. The road this time didn't really seem that long, but with me on the road, everything happened what could happen. I mean, I took the journey real hard. It was real hard for me. The twisty roads, bumps, they were trying to, avoid those potholes. And I'm just glad we are here finally. And there's a fence, so I could peep through fence, and the view is breathtaking.
So you're gonna love it.
And I really love. I could peep through the fence.
So you're gonna love it. You want
So amazing. I mean, it's just like from the movies. Picture perfect.
Yeah, so you're gonna love it.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we finally arrived. So this is where we're gonna stay. Yeah, come, pajam. Help me please. Yes guys, so this is a Moon Sun Villa. Here.
Where did the door come from?
I'm coming. Oh, you can close the gates.
Anybody's not here, Daddy. Anybody's not here. Anybody's not here over there.
That doesn't look like reception. That doesnst look like reception door.
No, come on, not here. Close it, close it. Close it. Let's go.
What?
Come here.
We are doing
Daddy's so
road
high.
still
Daddy's so
trying
high.
to find
Yeah.
place.
Yeah. I'll get you reception. We'll get you reception. No, Moon Sun. Reception. Yeah, sir. Reception here. Yeah, go on.
Daddy. Two more. Let's go.
Come here, sir.
It's here.
Come here.
You need to hold. Watch out. Look guys. Let's climb up. I'm gonna need to help Harold. Alright. Hi.
Hello.
Hi, I'm Donna.
Hello.
Hi. Or they can go that way, that I can get sanitized and
Okay.
your temperature check. Go ahead, sweetie.
Let's go. Careful.
Yeah, very plenty.
Very good.
36.1.
Wow. So
Yes, you're
this is the view.
yeah,
Looks good though.
yeah, man. All right, and that's why we upgrade you and give you a nice room that you can have the view.
Wow.
Welcome. Yeah.
Welcome. Come here. So, here. Давай. Danny.
Yeah, Dani, пошлите.
Okay.
Yeah, careful. The only thing I'm afraid of Dani and Leo can, Okay. Alright.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. So, we have like 2 rooms. Oh, we have 2 beds. 2 rooms. Oh, that's cool. There is nice art on the wall. I actually love the art.
Watch TV. Lay down in the bed.
Yeah, but you didn't come here for watch TV and lay down on the bed. We have a lot to do. Adventures are calling. Yeah, Leo? Подожди, Лео, не ходи туда. I'm just glad there are 2 beds. So, oh, nice art here also, guys. See? Wow, looks cool. I mean, smells fresh and relaxing. Here. And the view is awesome. The view from the window. Leo, идите сюда. Дани, идите сюда. So, look. We have a nice view from our window. You see? Here's some hotel there also, and nice view. So people are rafting there in the open sea like that. Ooh, and in front of us you can see people rafting. I want to raft, honestly. AC, da. Just amazing. Look, guys, look. It's such a pure beauty, untouched beauty. Amazing. Ты хочешь мультики смотреть? Okay, сейчас папа придет, включит. Leo just wants cartoons and stuff. Ooh, they have nice flowers here. Yeah, but it's pretty high, as you see, guys. Pretty high, so I definitely have to watch kids really careful. Yeah, guys, so let's check out the bathroom. Bathroom is also nice, just basic stuff. Toilets, washing, cabin, washing space where you can take a shower. Here. And mirrors. They provide soap, shower gels. It's not bad at all. Yes. Папа, сейчас он придет. So this is a little balcony.
Mama,
Лионель, не уходите. Садись. It's cool. So cool. Sit.
Wow.
Sit.
Mama, смотри, вот это little boat.
Little boat.
Да, вот это little.
They're doing rafting. They raft.
Rafting.
Rafting.
Mama, смотри, вот это bigger
Oh.
boat.
This is a little yacht or whatever it is.
Mama, смотри, bigger boat.
You want to go on the big boat?
Mhm.
It looks like it's not functioning. It's kind of dirty.
Nice.
It looks a little bit abandoned. But tomorrow, Leo, Daddy will get you a boat. We're gonna have a boat ride tomorrow. Just today it's a little bit late. This place looks definitely like somebody's house. Look, it's like first floor. It's like living room. So they have some nice piece of art. Really nice, a lot of stuff. Wow, this one looks amazing. But what is that? It's like a stick. It's a Rasta stick. So here they have the table, dining table. Oh, they play games here. Yep. Leo.
First, come on. Careful.
Here. And same thing, same view here. Even if it's a little bit old-fashioned, still looks relaxing. Let's go back. Look. What? What is it called?
Here, they're not scared if you just sit, you can sit right there and film them. If I come on.